Hello, I'm at REI's Training Center, and today I'm going to be using the Orion 2.4 in various project rooms we have here at our training center. I've actually taken a camera and attached it to the Orion 2.4 so that you can see both the second and the third harmonic responses that I'll be getting as I sweep various objects and walls, etc. So come with me and let's see what we find. If you'd like to know more about our products or what type of classes we offer here at the REI Training Center, please visit reiusa.net.